Hello everyone and welcome to a live demonstration on StockFlow. This is an inventory manager aimed towards small businesses. My name is Marcos Espinosa and I'm going to be representing my team in walking you through all of the features that we have made to this application throughout the semester. We use the following extensions and languages. We use React.js, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, as well as Firebase database and authentication. Authentication is being shown currently on the screen. This is the login page. This is where we use the authentication from Firebase to be able to get some safe user logins. So right here we could either register, or if we forgot a password, we could follow those steps. But currently, let's just go ahead and log in. We are greeted with the dashboard home. As we can see, we have a sidebar and a top nav bar that redirects us back to the current dashboard that you see, or we can log out. Okay, let's begin with the addition of an item. In this field, we have these different things we have to fill out. Currently, the mandatory fields are item numbers, item names, and quantity. These are basically for users that have physical space that they already have organized. Let's say if they have shelves, bins, or a section number that they already that would be relevant to them. We also have the low stock threshold. If this number is ever bigger than the quantity, then a user will be notified as such by a red line in the inventory on that current item. And we have a description if that will be relevant to a user as well, and colors. If you have a color coordinated system, this will be very useful as well. And when you click add item, you are taken to the inventory page. This is where we could either search our inventory for name, description, or barcode, or we could sort by name, quantity, etc., all the way to barcode. And in this page, we could scan a barcode either using hardware or your device's camera. We could also edit a current item and change all these fields except barcode. And we could change the color as well. In this page, we could also print the said barcode. This will be on a 2.25 by 1.25 label printer to get a very legible print, or on a regular size paper. Here you could change everything again except the barcode. Also, you may be able to filter how many rows of items to show, 25, 50, or 100. And you could also export to CSV if you want to display your data in Excel. Moving forward to our audit logs. Our audit logs are basically made to see in all the history that an item has gone through, all the changes. So currently we have 3 different actions: update, delete, and create. So an item being created will appear on the audit log. If an item is deleted, it will also appear. And if an item is updated, it will show you the original fields and the adjusted fields, like so. So it originally was shelf C and now it's shelf D, and so on. Now moving forward to our reports. This is where you could track a specific item's history of the quantity change. And we could change the chart type to bar, line, stacked, or combo. Combo is the one that has a line and a bar graph. Line graph shows you the new quantity and the bar shows you the original. If you would like to see all the different changes made, you could show all, and the chart will automatically resize itself to fit all the information. And this will be applicable to every item. So this will be the phone item or the watch item, for example. Now we have a page that is only visible to admin users, which is user management. This lets you adjust the different fields of another user if you're an admin. Clicking on edit takes you to their user settings, which is the next page that we would have gone to. And in user settings, you can edit anything you'd like, from display name, date of birth, or their role. Currently we have 2 roles, employee or admin. An employee would not be able to access user management. After clicking save, you're redirected to the user settings, and Firebase updates the current user's fields that were adjusted. Back to the dashboard home. This brings us to the end of the presentation. Thank you so much for everyone who stuck to the end. Thank you to my team. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. I hope this app looks useful to you in some way. Thank you.